Company using signal jammers, advice needed. I recently found out that we've installed a second cell signal jammer where I work. I had no idea about the first one until a buddy mentioned that one of the maintenance guys told him about how they installed a second one. I won't say the name, but it's a multi-billion-dollar international company with hundreds of employees in my facility alone. I'd like to know what can be done in this situation. Edit. This is in the US. Edit 2. As much as I wish I had this kind of dirt on Amazon, it's not them. No way in hell I'd work for them. If you're in the USA, report them to the FCC. The use of a phone jammer, GPS blocker, or other signal jamming device designed to intentionally block, jam, or interfere with authorized radio communications is a violation of federal law. There are no exemptions for use within a business, classroom, residence, or vehicle. FCC. Extremely illegal. Report them to the FCC. FCC tip line. It's illegal to block any radio or cell signal. Say you tried calling 911 but weren't able. No one will be any wiser, plus eventually they'll be fined. Jammer enforcement. Please follow up with what happens from this. I would be very curious. This is illegal and there should be a lawsuit. If this is a place customers might be affected or non-employees, it might be possible that you know somebody who could somehow miss an emergency call or something. They might have an absolutely massive lawsuit. Highly illegal and unsafe. Number 911 medical emergency calls or active shooting calls on cell phones is an extremely bad idea. You should not have to find a approved line or supervisor to report these. Also prevents you from being contacted in emergency. Amazing that companies will spend all kinds of money trying to get their employees more productive, unless it involves paying their MF workers. Around here, they just build the big stores like huge Faraday cages. No cell jammer required, and zero signal inside. Update me. It is possible to gather evidence of jamming from the target device. Digital frequency jamming usually involves looping of the handshake packets by the attacker, so the target cannot gain connection due to being stuck in an infinite loop of receiving the same packets. These packets should be capturable to prove jamming. I know you can get tools for Android that would log this. Not sure about Apple, don't use it. Analog jamming is done by looping a high power transmission on the frequency. This frequency will play on any device tuned to that frequency and can be recorded as evidence. Wi-Fi jamming is normally done by the attacker sending a packet end to corrupt the data of the target transmission and causing a disconnect. Again, these packets are loggable on the target device with the correct tooling. There are passive ways of jamming too. Steel-reinforced concrete walls could block a signal. So could creating earthworks around a facility. Maybe they are doing landscaping or security projects outside that are strategically placed to block the closest cell sites. And here I am in my company installing signal boosters. The company is expending more $100K in the project. No wonder everybody loves to work here. Unplug it and red tag it. Take a picture. Report it through as a safety issue. If they dismiss for it, get in writing and enjoy your payout plus fine for company. Otherwise report straight to the FCC. Get M. And then keep us updated. This is illegal. The FCC loves going Gestapo on signal jammers. Give them a call? That's illegal AF. Report them to the FCC. I'd say it's Best Buy or Walmart. Every time I go to either place to buy something, I try to look on Amazon to see if it's comparable and less expensive. My phone suddenly doesn't work anymore. Here's the reporting numbers and website. If you are complaining about unauthorized operations and harmful interference to a licensed service, file a complaint online at https://fccprod.servicenowservices.com/66. You also have these options for filing a consumer complaint. By phone: 1-888-CALLFCC 18,882,255,322. TTY 1-888-TELLFCC 18,888,355,322. Sounds hella dangerous in case of an emergency. It's Twitter. It is illegal, so report them to the FCC.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epicaricast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.